Hello watch fans, this is Berthier Watches again. This time we have a 1969 Rotary automatic watch with a 21 jewel movement with calendar function in 9 karat gold. We've put a new crystal on and a new strap. We can supply it with an expanding strap if you want. Now, one of the interesting things on this is that dial that does catch the light in lots of different ways. We have the original box for this watch, and then to set the date, clicks over at midnight, just as it should. There is a black line missing from the hour hand. That's how it arrived to us. There is a chance that it's upside down, but we're not going to risk damaging that dial in order to take it off for that.